Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change a Jeep Renegade air filter. First, pop the hood and locate the rectangular air box near the engine bay. Remove the clips or screws holding the cover, then lift the cover to expose the filter element. Inspect the housing and wipe away debris with a rag. Prepare your replacement filter and verify it matches the old one before proceeding to installation. Start by undoing the retaining clips or screws around the air box cover and set them aside in a safe spot. Lift the cover gently to avoid snagging any nearby hoses or electrical connectors. Reach in and pull the old rectangular filter straight up and out, taking note of its orientation. Hold the filter over a trash bin and tap lightly to remove loose debris before comparing it to your new replacement. With the new filter in hand, align it exactly like the old one so the airflow arrows or fitment tabs match. Set the filter into the housing so it sits flush against the sealing surface and check the edges for gaps. Lower the air box cover back into position and fasten all clips or screws evenly to maintain a tight seal. Finally, do a quick visual check and start the engine briefly to confirm normal operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.